So we're making this trip to Kel-Suu Lake in Kyrgyz Republic. We're right now in Kok-Kyia Valley. Look at all these mountains, and you can see over there that there is a river comes up. That's from Kel-Suu Lake. We are on 3,500 meters above the sea level and testing my new GoPro Max. I hope you like the scenery around, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Soon I'm getting the drone with 360 opportunity, and stay tuned, stay updated. I'll do my best to upload more nice footage from nice areas of this country and the whole Central Asian region. It was Max from Max Tour. See you on my tours.